I'm lucky enough to live in a diverse natural area where I'm able to walk through rock formations freely and enjoy all different aspects of nature. Timber Adventures is a crew of pups and myself, and we enjoy going out on nature walks and wandering about, sharing history of areas that are both near and far. If you like what we do, please give us a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Today, I'd like to share with you some of the information about my particular area and the different things that I get to encounter when going for simple walks. We're going to talk about the outdoors today, and we especially like to encourage others to get out, take a walk in the woods near you, and observe. Just observe everything that you can and experience the smells, the sounds, the colors, the feel, the taste sometimes. Not all of us can enjoy all of these five senses, but we have access to some, and we hope that you can use that gift to further your enjoyment and appreciation of the outdoors environment. To smell, the smell of rain, dirt, pine, blossoms. To hear the birds, leaves crushing underfoot, the sound of water trickling or flowing, or the sound of silence. The colors, the green of ferns and tree leaves, or capture the yellow, red, and orange fades of some of those same leaves at a different time. The dull colors of soil contrasting with the rich colors of wildflowers. The feel, cold temperatures on your arms, the chill of a windy breeze as it blows upon your skin, or the warm sensation that may brush that chill away when the sun finally sets upon you. The texture of rough bark with its ridges, the soft feel of soil as it sinks beneath each footstep or between your fingers, or the feel of the gritty grains of rocks as you slide your hand slowly across. And taste, maybe the taste of a sassafras leaf, the service berries or blueberries or blackberries. I preferably like tea berries. As you swipe a few of them, pop them into your mouth as you're walking past. Maybe a light taste of creek water, or the dewdrops from a leaf. And as I'm recording this, I'm sitting on my front porch and there's a thunderstorm starting. So we have the thunder with the occasional lightning. And that simple smell that you get before a storm, like the rain has a certain scent. So I wanted to share with you the outdoor experience that I have in my own backyard. And as I share it with you, I have access to rock cities and large boulder features. I have access to an entire lake with a whole ecosystem in itself. There's a waterfall nearby. The waterfall will have a very heavy water flow in the spring. By right now, it's barely a trickle because it's been a dry summer. But in the wintertime, it'll have a flow and eventually form a giant ice sheet. In the pine and hardwood forests that surround my area, you'll also experience such a diverse number of. How about that? That's awesome. It's a pretty amazing experience to be doing a recording and actually have a thunderstorm going on around you with some pretty significant thunder and lightning. But I started to say that we have a diverse amount of wildlife around as well. And that ranges anywhere from squirrels, chipmunks, raccoons, possums, turkey, fisher. We have deer, and we have bear, and we have an occasional elk that wanders over this direction, coyotes, and I even have a stealth cam picture of a bobcat for several years. So we have a large variety of wildlife that we can enjoy. I'm hoping to share some videos with you that will give you an idea of the terrain and the sights and the sounds and much more. And I encourage you to go out and enjoy your own sights and sounds and environment. Let's tune into these videos now. I have looked for historic carvings when I've been down in this area before and found only one over by the falls. But I found this one today, and it's a JAK. And it's interesting because right here is a spring. It was a natural spring usually, and there's nothing flowing now. But so yes, it's carved right above the spring. So there used to be a sawmill nearby, so we have some leftover logs that are hewn and still down here. We have some more over there. But this is usually flown pretty good, but not this year. You were right. I have some pretty cool places close to me. This is 1.25 miles through the woods at my house.